one of those like X-Acto knives to cut all the packages because I always rip them and then it just hurts my hands, so. Can you guess what this is based on the packaging? Oh, that was a terrible sound. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the brand Brumate. They were kind enough to send me some of their products. She's perfect. The bottom is silicone, so it's really soft to hold, and then this part is actually like metal. The straw is silicone. There's this thing on the top and it spins around so you can close it, so there's gonna be no spills. This is a different style cup compared to the first one. The first one has this handle on top and then the handle's on the side for this one. Let's get started with the Amazon brand. First is G4Free activewear. I've collabed with them before and the quality of their pieces is unmatched. They wash really well and they're really comfy. So let's see all the goodies that they send. First, they sent this tank top, and right away, pulling it out of the package, it's a really soft material. It has a built-in bra with padding that you can remove if you don't like that. And then I feel like this is going to be the perfect length, like just the right amount of crop. I love their pants. They're so comfy. I do really like that all their pants come with different inseams, so you can choose one based on your size. I have a whole G4Free outfit on, but let's start with the top. So flattering. I love that it comes with removable padding. That's always such a plus. This little like lining right here just gives just the slightest bit of detail that adds to the top. The straps are, I feel like, a good thickness. They don't pull or rub at all. As for the pants, they're not see-through, which is a huge plus. This is what the back looks like. You can't see my underwear at all. I feel like a big tell of if the quality is good is if they're see-through, and these definitely aren't. I like the little pockets on the front. The length is honestly perfect for me. I'm so glad that I got the inseam that I did. This is the same exact style tank except in this creamish white color. I didn't mention this on the last one, but it has a stitch right here across the chest, so that just adds like a little bit extra detailing to it. The sage green color is so pretty. Look at the stretch on the legs, and they're wide leg, which of course I feel like all my pants in my closet are wide leg, so these are perfect. This is what the back looks like. They have a little pockets, and then the front has a little fake zipper detailing. I somehow completely forgot to mention that their products are made from Lycra, which is a super breathable fabric. It moves with you when you're stretching or doing activity or anything like that. I love the white top. This is such a good basic to have in your closet. It will match with literally any color pants, as you can see. As for the pants, this color is so adorable. The waistband is very forgiving and stretchy as well. Very flattering. I feel like everything I got is mermaid colored. Look at all greens and blues. This is so perfect for running in the summer here because it's so lightweight. It's a very thin material, but I really actually like that. And then it has little reflectors on the back. This is honestly so perfect for those days where you want to wear a tank top to cover up, but it's like a billion degrees out. I love the lightweight of this. The material is just so silky and nice. This color reminds me of a mermaid. Next is L'Occitane. They sent over their foot cream, this face cream. How pretty the packaging is. I love that. Lastly, they sent this lip cream, which is supposed to help with wrinkles. And again, their packaging is just so nice. I'm actually really bad with that. Like, I will look at a product and if it's cute packaging, I'll buy it. Next is this wellness brand. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. This is the same as like the Drunk Elephant where it pushes down and then the product comes out the top. Then they sent this Radiant Smoothie Retinol Cream. Oh, do you think that's supposed to happen? I feel like not. And you're supposed to twist it and then it pops out the top like that. I love the minimalistic packaging on all of these. Lastly, from Sienna Rose, they sent their Hydrating Whipped Moisturizing Cream. Again, it's like that Drunk Elephant one. Oh. Okay, now for something that I actually bought with my own money. I found this in Ross for, I kid you not, $7.99. It's a Free People Movement workout tank. Is this not the perfect like royal blue for the summer? This is actually the first time I've tried on this top and it fits pretty well. I got the size extra small/small. And then that's what the back looks like. I found the exact same thing in this black color, and of course it has the little Free People Movement symbol down here. I'm obsessed with Free People Movement, and to find it in Ross is like the best thing ever. When you see a good brand shopping in Ross or TJ Maxx, it's like, oh, like all my shopping was worthwhile now. Honestly, such a good steal for $7.99. I couldn't pass these up. I'm not wearing a bra and it seems very supportive too. Next, I got this little PJ set from Sadie McKenna's like She's Country line. I'm pretty sure that's the brand. This was for Valentine's launch and they're so comfy and cute. And these are the pants. They're very long, which is good if you're a tall girly. I'm not a tall girly, but I still like to have my pants long. I'm just now realizing that these PJs are slightly see-through, so just keep in mind about that. But they are really comfy and like lightweight, so I feel like I won't get hot in them when I sleep in them at night. The brand is called She's Country. So first they sent this glossy glaze, and they actually sent 2 of them, but you're supposed to use them after you shampoo in the shower, and then it leaves like a glossy look to your hair. This is shampoo substitute. Cleanses your hair without stripping natural oils, so that's definitely healthier for your hair. Next is Frilliance. If you guys haven't heard of Frilliance, it's a brand founded by a teenager, and she's all about giving healthy and affordable makeup to teens and young adults. First she sent these butterfly pimple patches, which are so cute. Next she sent this facial mist. She sent me this blush in the shade Very Very Glow, this highlighter in the shade Self Glow. Lastly, she just sent me their clear gloss, which I actually love. I have their sparkly gloss and I wear it all the time. It smells like cupcakes too. It smells so good. The brand is Sherry, and they're in my Amazon storefront if you want to check that out. This is the first shirt, and I got them in a size medium because I was hoping to style them almost like a dress and wear little cute shoes. Maybe like a really tiny mini skirt underneath. I got this green and white stripe, which I feel like screams summer. This is so cute to throw on as a beach cover up. I definitely thought it was going to be longer, but it's still really cute. Let me roll over the cuffs and try to make an outfit out of this. Tucking it in would be cute, maybe like that. Or if I got a belt and put a belt around it. Not really sure, but it definitely has potential. We'll try to style it in a YouTube short or something. This just screams coastal granddaughter. I love this blue color. Of course I had to try on the blue too because this color combo is just too perfect. So adorable. And I didn't show you, but the buttons are really cute as well. They're a mix of browns. And lastly, they sent this brown and kind of like a tan mix. I'm not really sure. It's kind of giving like banana, even though it's not yellow. Does that even make sense? Not really. Oh my gosh, suitcase tanks. I did not know that they sent me stuff. Okay, first is this brown high neck tank. I'm not really sure if this color really works with my skin tone. I feel like it kind of mutes me out. And another thing I want to mention is that the shirt kind of comes out a little bit. So it's just a little bit big for me. So maybe I should have sized down, but I like the length of it. Next is the same tank, just in black. It's always good to have an extra basic, and these are like a nice rib cotton material. 95% cotton and then 5% elastane. Look at how perfect this little tube top is. I got these in size small. The material is so nice and silky soft. This top with a little white mini skirt or white pants would be so cute. I know the denim isn't the right color. I do like that it's double lined. It's super soft, and the top has this little like silicone part so that it's not gonna fall down on you while you're wearing it. This is what it looks like from the back. Okay, this is perfect. It's a little brown tank top. Again, it's the same material. It's so soft. I feel like the straps go out a little bit too wide on my body frame, but still cute nonetheless. They have the adjustable straps. And lastly, I got this navy blue tube top, which I think I like the navy blue more than the light blue because I feel like this will really show with the tan. So perfect for the summer. So obsessed. This is just another tank, and it's in this like army green color. This is definitely a winter color and perfect for layering in the fall. I honestly don't think I own anything in my closet that's this color, but I like it. It looks good with my skin tone, but definitely a fall staple, not for the summer.